Welcome to Demystifying Agriculture. In this video, we're exploring year-round gardening techniques suitable for various climates worldwide, including Africa. Join us as we delve into what to plant for a continuous harvest throughout the year, regardless of seasonal variations. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding your climate. Before delving into planting specifics, it's essential to understand your climate, your local climate and growing conditions. Whether you are in a tropical, subtropical, arid or temperate region, knowing your climate will help you choose the right plant and gardening techniques for success. Research your region's average temperature, rainfall pattern, and length of growing seasons to tailor your gardening approach accordingly. Step 2. Planting for the rainy season. In regions with distinct wet and dry seasons, such as many parts of Africa, take advantage of the rainy season to kickstart your garden. Plant water-loving crops like leafy greens, root vegetables and herbs that thrive in moist conditions. Focus on soil preparation and water management strategies to optimize moisture retention and prevent waterlogging during heavy rains. Step 3. Navigating the dry season. During the dry season, adjust your gardening approach to conserve water and maintain plant health. Choose drought-tolerant crops like okra, cowpeas, and sweet potatoes that can withstand hot and dry conditions. Implement water-saving techniques such as drip irrigation, mulching, and rainwater harvesting to supplement limited rainfall and sustain your garden through the dry months. Step 4. Maximizing year-round production. To achieve a year-round harvest, focus on maximizing production throughout the changing seasons. Embrace the concept of polyculture by interplanting a variety of crops with staggering planting dates to ensure a continuous supply of fresh produce. Experiment with companion planting to enhance biodiversity, control pests, and improve soil fertility naturally. Incorporate perennials such as fruit trees and perennial herbs to provide long-term yields and stability to your garden. Step 5. Embracing season extension techniques. To further extend your gardening season and ensure a continuous harvest, consider implementing season extension techniques. These methods allow you to grow crops beyond their typical growing season, providing fresh produce year-round. One popular method is greenhouse gardening, where controlled environments enable you to grow heat-loving crops during cooler months. Invest in a greenhouse or build a DIY version using inexpensive materials to protect your plants from harsh weather conditions. Another option is row covers, which acts as protective barriers against frost, wind and pests. Made from lightweight materials like floating row cover fabric or plastic sheetings, they create a microclimate conducive to plant growth and development. For those with limited space or resources, cold frames offer a simple yet effective solution. This low-profile structure capture and retain heat, allowing you to cultivate cold, hardy crops even in frigid temperatures. Step 6. Exploring microclimates and micro gardens. Microclimate plays a crucial role in gardening success, offering pockets of unique environmental conditions within your gardening space. Take advantage of microclimates by strategically placing plants in areas with optimal sunlight, wind protection, and moisture levels. Explore micro-gardening techniques like container gardening, raised beds, and vertical gardening to maximize space and productivity. These methods allow you to garden in confined space such as balconies, patios, and rooftops, while still enjoying a diverse and abundant harvest. Experiment with companion planting and succession planting to make the most of your garden's microclimate. By interplanting compatible crops and staggering planting dates, you can optimize resources and extend your harvest window. Step 7. Harvesting techniques for smart gardening. In today's digital age, technology plays a vital role in optimizing garden management and productivity. Explore smart gardening tools and apps designed to streamline tasks, monitor plant health, and provide real-time data and insights. Invest in soil sensors and irrigation controllers to automate watering schedules and ensure plants receive the right amount of moisture. Use garden planning apps to design layouts, track planting schedule, and identify compatible plant combination for optimal growth. Stay informed about weather patterns, pest outbreaks, and disease threats using weather apps and pest monitoring systems. By staying ahead of potential challenges, you can proactively manage your garden and minimize risks to your crops. Conclusion. With these additional techniques and strategies, you can elevate your year-round gardening efforts to new heights and productivity and sustainability. Embrace innovation, adaptability, and experimentation as you continue your gardening journey. Remember, gardening is a lifelong learning experience, and there's always something new to discover and explore. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep nurturing your green thumb. By adopting a flexible and adaptive approach to gardening, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest year-round, regardless of seasonal variations. Remember to observe and learn from your local environment, and don't be afraid to experiment with different crops and techniques. Stay tuned to Demystifying Agriculture for more worldwide gardening tips and insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Be sure to check out the additional resources and links provided in the video description for further guidance and inspiration. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and insights for Demystifying Agriculture. Thank you for joining us on this extended gardening journey. Until next time, happy gardening. Subscribe for more gardening inspirations and advice. Demystifying Agriculture, signing off.